So this is my aquarium that has guppy fish, and I bought 7 pieces of Australian crawfish, or they call it freshwater lobster, and I prepare their nest. However, tomorrow I scheduled to purchase the aerator because my guppy fish survived without aerator for almost 2 years. So I put Talisay lib, Terminalia catapa, in order to balance the pH of the water. Of course, this is chlorinated water, but I already separated it for how many months, and of course my guppy fish survive without aerator. But tomorrow I scheduled to purchase aerator, and this is my DIY biofilter. Half, this is a gallon of Sunrox, but I already washed it thoroughly. Half of it is composed of stone, and the rest composed of net, fishing net. And tomorrow I will purchase the what's called this one, the aerator, because it needs by the Australian crawfish. So this is their dry nesting area, resting area, I mean resting area. So this is my newly purchased Australian crawfish. Seven pieces, and I will going to, the time now is 8:20 in the evening, so I will going to acclimatize at least 30 minutes. So 10, 20, 30, at least 9 or 9 p.m. So 10, 10, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes. So I'm going to open this plastic in 40 minutes. So we need to acclimatize because we need to balance the temperature of water inside the plastic, not of course this. But for now we're going to give them feeds. So this is the sinking pellets. I put lily so that there is at least could provide a little bit of oxygen, small one. maybe I could get some big one. Oh, may guppy fish. We need to put small pieces or guppy fish in order for the to maintain the occurrence of mosquito larvae or larva. So I will find if I have big water lily. Actually, I gather big lily, so I will put her to provide, of course, oxygen. So yeah. Let's see. So we will wait at least 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 9, 9:45, 9:45. 8:45 rather, 8:45 in the evening, so that it will reach at least 30 minutes, 45. Not able to reach, or even 9, no problem. The previous, the one that I said. Okay. So the pellets is now swelling. Yeah, that one pellets. But of course, the crayfish is nocturnal. They will find it later on. My guppy fish. So that's they will maintain to eat the larvae of mosquito. That's why there is a guppy fish. I need to measure the water level because a while ago 9 inches, and according to the suggestion it should be 5 to 6 inches only. So I reduce the water through this hose and see, and to reach the minimum of 5 to 6 inches. So see, let's see the water level. So a while ago 9 inches, so I need to maintain the water level of 5 to 6 inches. So that is the recommended depth of water. Only 6 inches. Oh, the food is, the sinking pellet is eaten by fish. Oh, that's the problem. See, the fish is eating the pellets, but it's okay. I will add later. See, the eat my pellets. Yeah, that one they eat. That's the problem. Maybe I will add later. They eat the pellets. Oh, it's full. It's almost full. I think 7 inches because 6 inches is too low because I have acacia leaves or talisay leaves. See, I think 7 is enough. Oh, it's okay. It's full. Okay. 7 inches because I have talisay. Yeah, I think 7. Oh. I think 7 inches is enough. Because I have also talisay. So 7 inches is enough. 7 inches here. And here 7.5. Yeah, it's okay. So because I have talisay. Leaves. Nine in the evening, and I will open the previously acclimatized grapes, Australian grapes. So the last 45 days, 45 days, no, 45 minutes, sorry, I will open now. And of course I will not directly open, just simply open the plastic and let the water submerge it. And okay, because it's already 45 minutes. Let's see if they will out of the opening. Let's see. Okay, you see. Okay. One. There are 4 females and 3 male. Number 2. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's see. So there are 7. And so I will add a pinch of pits now. Wait, where are they? Because the gapi. So focus, baby. Here, baby. Here. So I need to add because my gapi 8 and another here. Another here. Okay. Come on. Okay. This is the sinking pellets. So we need to monitor if okay. Where are they? I think they are hiding. Let's monitor. Because the one is already hiding there. They found their nest habitat. See? And they already eating. It's a good indicator, though there's no irritor, but we will see if tomorrow they will survive. To cover this aquarium, because according to research, Crepes is a great escape, is an escape artist, so we need to cover. So we need to cover screen so that they will not escape, of course. I need to change. Okay. So it's fully covered so that of course they will not escape. So there's a opening. Only the guppy fish eat the pellets. Oh, see? They are eating. He's eating now. It's a good indication. I hope he will survive for one night, even without irritor.